friends, do you think that Diwali is celebrated only in India? Then you are absolutely wrong. Apart from India, there are many other countries where Diwali is celebrated with great pomp. Diwali is also celebrated in Guyana, Fiji, Malaysia, Nepal, Mauritius, Myanmar, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Tobago, Britain, Indonesia, Japan, Thailand, Africa, and Australia. Diwali is also called the festival of light, and today we will know that why Diwali is celebrated, and there is not only one reason behind it, there are so many reasons that you will be surprised to know. So let's get started. On the day of Diwali, goddess of wealth Lakshmi was born. The Hindu mythology states that none of the gods and demons were immortal, and both of them churned the ocean together to get the nectar so that they can become immortal by drinking that nectar. During the churning of the ocean, Lakshmi ji came out first. She was subsequently married to Lord Vishnu on the same darkest night of the year, and brilliant lamps were illuminated and placed in rows to mark this holy occasion. Hence, the association of Diwali with goddess Lakshmi and the tradition of lighting of lamps during the festival. On this day, Hindus celebrate the birth of the goddess Lakshmi. The great epic Mahabharata of India tells that on this day, the Pandavas returned home after completing their 12 years of exile. The Pandavas fought a religious war with Kauravas in which he won, and in the joy of his arrival, he was welcomed by all the people of Hastinapur village by lighting a lamp. Ramayana, the great epic of India, states that on this day Lord Sri Ram conquered non-violence and untruth. After defeating Ravana, the king of Lanka, he waved the glory of truth, and he was welcomed by the people of entire Ayodhya city by lighting a lamp in the joy of his arrival. On this day, the great, intelligent and knowledgeable king of India, Vikramaditya, was crowned. On this day, the great Sant of India, Dayanand Saraswati, attained enlightenment. People of Jainism also celebrate Diwali in India because on this day Vardhaman Mahavir attained enlightenment. People of Sikhism in India also celebrates Diwali because on this day Guru Hargobind Ji got independence from the Mughals. Before the arrival of Diwali, the farmers' crops are cooked and prepared well, and it is a day of enthusiasm for the farmers, and that's why Diwali is celebrated. In India, the new year starts from the day of Diwali, and that's why Deepavali is considered a very special day. So friends, now you have been understood very well that why Deepavali is celebrated in India. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.